Hey guys, check this out. I just got this big package from PCB Way, and it should be full of FunBoards. 50 FunBoards in here. It's not going to be noticeably different other than it is red than the other one, but here we go. And then we changed the design and we put this these holes in here. So there's the board, the way the board looks with the case on it. Oh man, look at that. PCB boards. I love PCB boards. These are the V1s and these are V2s. These were the V2 prototypes that I had made. Now that's a V1 board right there. Alright, I got a bunch of these FunBoards in and I'm sitting here late at night programming them, getting them ready for you guys. So let me go through how it's done right quickly. I'm going to pop one of these things open. Got an SD card right here. It has one file on it. We're just going to make sure we can read it. Okay, and then we're going to plug it in here and the green light should come on. Alright, now let's jump over to the software. Okay, we're only going to use 3 things, so we'll list and find out so we can see that it's on. I know it's on USB 0. Okay, and then the second thing we'll do is we're going to load this image using ESP tool on that port. Okay, so this image has the operating system, it has all the software for the peripherals, and it has a test routine. So let's get that thing going. Alright, it's trying to connect, and then I'm going to come over here to the device and I'm going to push down on this pin and then that pin, and that will put it in program mode. And okay, so it's picked it up and it is loading 20%. Alright, so let's let that load up. Okay, it's finished writing, it's finalizing a few things, and there everything is finalized. So let's go ahead and we're going to use PicoCom. There it is on that port, USB 0, and we're connected now. And so we're going to come right over here and hit that reset button, and there we go. That's FunBoard V2 reset. There it is. Okay, now we're ready to check the LED. So we're checking right over here. Are the LEDs on? Yep, green and blue. Alright, the green LED is just power. The blue one I just turned on. Okay, hit enter, ready to check the pixels. Now, I'm using white for the pixel color, or a whitish color, because it requires red, green, and blue. So it's checking everything. Okay, so ready to check pixels. All the pixels are working. Did you hear a beep? Yep, I heard a beep. Okay, now right here we see that it mounted the SD card, and then this test file is just a file that is on the SD card. So did the SD card mount? Yes, it did. Okay, so now it's going to try to do Wi-Fi. It found these devices, and now it's connecting up to this one right here. And so this worked. It got the time from NTP server, and then it pulled some stuff down from Easy IoT. So is the Wi-Fi okay? Heck yeah, that's good Wi-Fi. And then do we want to rewrite main and get rid of the test script? Yeah, let's do that, and we're done. So now if I reach over here and push reset again, we should just do standard FunBoard reset. And here we go, power on. Mounts the SD card, FunBoard, that's already good to go. So we'll do Control C and then Control A and X to exit out of PicoCom, and then we undo our board, and don't forget to take the SD card out. I wouldn't want to send you an SD card. And then we'll pop it back into the plastic and seal it up, and there's one FunBoard ready to go, programmed. Plug it in, plug and play, I guess you might say. All right.